Hi, welcome to Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park on Doswell, Virginia. Today we're going to be playing with a cold soup that comes to us from Spain. Long history there. It's called Gazpacho, and the recipe I'm going to be playing with is from Jose Andres, who is a Basque chef who's very famous and has done a great job with things like this. So Gazpacho is a tomato soup. Right? So I'm going to start by preparing my tomatoes. I'm going to cut the core out, and I'm going to make an X across the back. I'm dropping it in boiling water for exactly 1 minute. So you all counting out there? I'm at 6. All right. I'm going to take it out and drop it into ice cold water. Now I can just take my knife and the skin just peels right off. And now I'm going to cut the tomato in half across the middle. And we can see that all the seeds are available there, so I'm just going to squeeze these out. Real easy. And I'm going to chop these up just like I would any other vegetable. All right, I have some already chopped. So we're ready to build this soup. Get a bowl here. I'm going to put some of these tomatoes in the bowl. And I'm going to add some minced onion. And some chopped green pepper. And some cucumber, diced up nice. Some salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add a little bit of stock. This is vegetable stock. Get that stirred up good. Now I'm going to hit it with some good Spanish vinegar, sherry wine vinegar. And some nice extra virgin olive oil. Mix that up again. And I'm going to put this into a bowl. Okay. Now I'm going to use a little garlic. I'm using whole garlic that I've roasted. Some pine nuts that I've toasted, some green onions, and I'm going to add a little bit more of the cucumber, green pepper so it sits on the top so we can see that really good. Right. And we've got a classic Gazpacho andaluz. Before we're finished, we've got to make another version of this. All right, I'm going to set this out front so that everybody can see it good. All right, and I'm going to take that same soup and I'm going to run it through the food processor. All right, and I'm going to wind up with this, which is the same soup, a little thicker. All right, I'm going to garnish it the same way. All right, a little bit of green onion, tops and base, some pine nuts, some green pepper, and a little bit of the roasted garlic. Now on top of both of these, I'm going to add some croutons, because the word gazpacho actually means crust of bread. So gazpacho really should have some kind of bread as part of it. The dish started out in Greece, right, as a bread soup, and traveled with conquest across the Mediterranean to Spain, and waited for Christopher Columbus to get the tomatoes. So there it is, two different versions of the same soup, Gazpacho Andaluz. See you next time. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.